Yes, people, welcome to a new video. And in this video, we're gonna fix if you can't see any channel and if you get an error about it, we go fix this right now. And what the first thing you can do is go to your Telegram app and you go to your settings right under in the screen. And then you go to privacy and security. So, well, you scroll a little bit down and you tap on data settings. And then you tap on clear payment and shipping info. You tap clear and then you go back to your home screen. And if you are in your home screen of your iPhone or Android phone, whatever, you do the following thing. This is the second option. If you can't fix it right now, you go to the App Store. You tap on App Store and you search for the Telegram app. Telegram. And if you see Telegram, there is an update available. You can update the Telegram Messenger app. And if there is not any update available, I'll give you one last shot to try to fix it. And that's deleting the Telegram app. So if you want to delete, you're holding it and you delete the app and you install it again. And then it must be fixed. Yes, so hope I helped you. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.